my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today we are doing an unboxing, try on, and review / mini tutorial for the DoseofDesixKaty collaboration with Dose of Colors. I have had this package sitting in my room for about a month. I received it in the beginning of October, but I didn't want to be releasing anything that wasn't Halloween related within the month of October, so I put it aside and I decided that I would review it once October was over. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I try to post out new videos every Thursday, so put the notification thing on so you know when I'm posting. If you want to see what products came in the collaboration and how they wore and what I thought about them and how to create this look, then please continue watching. So I've opened the DoseofDesixKaty package. I'm just going to show you guys what comes in it. So first, the Dose of Colors thank you card, and then we've got some stickers for the DoseofDesixKaty collection. So this is DoseofDesixKaty down in the corner. That's just a card that basically thanks you from DoseofDesixKaty. And yeah, just some stickers and a thank you card from the both of them. We've got the Friendcation eyeshadow palette. Oh, I love their packaging. Like, the sparkles is absolutely beautiful. Are you serious? This is the second time that this has happened to one of the collabs that I've got with Dose of Colors. The other one was the collab with I Love Sarai, and it was actually the blue shade in the palette that fell out, and it just happened again. So I can't swatch that, nor can I use it in this video today. Next we have a highlighter, and this is called Chasing the Sun. I'll do swatches for you later. I just want to show you all of the products first. So that's the first highlighter, called Chasing the Sun. The second highlighter is called Fuego. So Fuego was actually in their previous collab, and I already have this highlighter, but you can never have too many highlighters. I absolutely love Fuego, so now I can use that one freely without worrying about running out, because I'll always have a backup. So we have 6 lip products, 2 lipsticks, 2 liquid lipsticks, and 2 lip glosses. I will swatch them later. I have swatched all of the colors on my arm. So in order from top to bottom, we've got Basic, Cheens, Necessary, Dirt Money, A Moment, Try Me, Just a Kiss, Girl Bye, Churro, and Game Over. So even though this one was broken in the palette, I was able to just scrub the bottom of the pan and swipe it on my arm. So this is what all the shades look like. I am going to prime my eyes off of camera, and I'll be right back. So first I'm going to go into this middle shade here, which is Necessary, and apply that to my crease. So next I'm going to be going in with Girl Bye. Next, I'm going to be packing Try Me all over the lip. And closer to the corner, I'm going to be applying Just a Kiss. I'm going to complete the other eye off of camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I've basically done most of my face. All that's left to do is my bottom lash line, my highlight, and my lips. So I guess we can do the bottom lash line. I was able to put in the color that fell out, and I just used the top of the liquid lipstick and I pushed it down. Hopefully it stays. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go into the color we used earlier, which is Necessary. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with Girl Bye. swatch both highlighters for you, but I'm only going to use one just because Fuego is already in the previous collection, so there's no point in me using it today. I'm just gonna swatch Fuego for you. So this is what it looks like. And this is Fuego swatched. That's really bright, right? The next highlighter is Chasing the Sun. Wow. I mean, they're both absolutely stunning. Next, I'm going to swatch all of the liquid lipsticks and the lip glosses. So there's 2 of each. So in order from top to bottom, we have Aftermath, Hey Girl, A Mauve Story, My Main, Over the Top, and The Most. So the Over the Top lip gloss is actually in their other collection as well, which I'm super happy about because I absolutely love lip gloss, and I didn't want to be using it because I didn't want to waste it, but now that there's 2, I can use it. The packaging for, what was it? The second one, which was Hey Girl, was super messed up. The lipstick wasn't in the tube itself, it was actually in the lid, and then the tip of the lipstick is like destroyed because it's been sitting in the lid, like just a complete shit show. So I'm actually going to use a liquid lipstick today, and I'm going to use My Main. And then I'll show you the lip gloss and I'll just put it over top of it. That way you get to see 2 products. So this is what My Main looks like on its own. I'm just going to apply The Most. Do you see the shine in this lip gloss? Oh my god. This looks absolutely amazing. I love this lip gloss. Oh, I'm never gonna use it though because I don't want to waste it. Okay guys, so it's time to review each and every single product that I have used. Starting with the Friendcation eyeshadow palette. These formulas are absolutely amazing. There was no fallout. The blending was a breeze. The only issue that I did have was that this color fell out, and it's not really like packed in there properly, so I know it's gonna fall out again. So I just have to be very careful with this palette. These colors are stunning. I am in love with this palette. I'm in love, in love, in love. Next, we're talking about the highlighters. So Fuego, which is in my right hand, I knew I already loved it. It was in the previous collection. They just released it again. Like, you can't go wrong with having 2 of these now because I can use the other one freely and not have to worry about wasting it because I always have a backup of those. I love Fuego. Chasing the Sun. This color is absolutely stunning. Ooh. Like, that highlight is amazing. Killed it. Liquid lipsticks and the lip gloss is next. This gold one, I already know I love it. Again, it was in the collection before. They killed it. This is amazing. This lip gloss is out of this world. It is beautiful. I never want to take this off my lips. Like, it's stunning. Great formulas, awesome shades for both the liquid lipsticks and the lipsticks. They killed it with the shades and nudes. Yeah, can't go wrong. The only issue, when I open Hey Girl, like, look at that. It's destroyed. When I opened it, the lipstick was sitting in the lid, and I had a hard time pulling it out of the lid. But I love the shade. I love the shade. I love it. Can't wait to use it. I have to use it with a brush though. Dose of Colors is an amazing brand. Their products never disappoint me. It was just the packaging that disappointed me, but the products are always awesome formulas, pigmented. The blending is amazing with eyeshadows. There's no fallout with the eyeshadows. it's just, it's a great brand. And then the collection on its own, it's DoseofDesixKaty. They're amazing. I love them. And the products that they created was great. So yeah, that's basically all I have to say. So that concludes the DoseofDesixKaty try-on review and mini tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. What are you doing in the background, man? Can you just speak up? We have 6 lip products. We have fucking bear. Choked on a kernel. Still got that kernel stuck in the back of my throat. And this is how the liquid lipstick is on its own.